Hey, what's up? John Sonmez from simpleprogrammer.com. So I was just reading an email here and I thought I'd do a quick video response to this because I thought this was a good question. So this question is from Georgie and he says, "Hi John, I just watched your video, 5 soft skills every software developer should know." You can check out the video here. It's a talk I did at the Xamarin Evolve conference. And he said, and you mentioned that the best way to learn something is by doing it. So I have a question about it. I'm in charge of a 10-member team, .NET Stack, and I want to introduce TypeScript to the team. Is it better to give them some time to get familiar with it, or should I just force them to use TypeScript from tomorrow because that's the best way to learn it? So I thought this was an interesting question, and I did say that using something is the best way to learn it, right? Is you should just jump in, and I can see the idea of just like forcing them to jump into it, right? To do it. Definitely doing something is the best way to learn it. But I have a different idea here. So what if you did this? So what if instead of forcing them to use TypeScript, which they might, not everyone is comfortable with just like flying by the seat of their pants and learning something on the spot. I think it's a good skill, but what if you did something else to inspire them? What if you did this? What if instead of tomorrow you said you're using TypeScript from now on, you broke them into teams of 2, okay? And you come up with a challenge for them. So you come up with a small programming problem that you want them to solve in TypeScript, and what you'll do is there'll be teams of 2, so there'll be 5 teams, and you'll give them 4 hours to solve it. So now they'll work together, right? They're going to learn obviously in 4 hours because they're going to be competing against each other, and it's going to be fun. Offer some kind of prize or something, but they're going to learn TypeScript and they're not even going to know it because it's fun, right? So this will prevent their brain from coming up with all these objections about why they can't suddenly use TypeScript. Now they'll have 4 hours worth of work into it, and they'll have worked together, and they'll have probably learned a whole bunch about TypeScript in that time as they're researching, trying to beat the other teams. And then from that point forward, you can have them use TypeScript in the project, and they'll probably be excited about it. Whereas if you go the other way and you force them, you say you got to use TypeScript, some people might push back. They might resent the fact that they're making them use something that they don't know. They might feel insecure about it, and whereas this approach is going to introduce it and make it fun and make it a challenge. So anyway, that's what I would suggest, is doing something like that, and I think that you're going to get the best of both worlds if you do it that way. So hopefully that helps you. Let me know if you do this, how this works. I'd love to hear. Just send me an email me back, or even better yet, leave a comment on this video and let everyone know. And if you have a question for me, email me at john@simpleprogrammer.com. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel. Talk to you later.